Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to convert a file to Word or Google Docs. Chapter 1. Convert Word file to Google Docs. To start, open Google Drive. Here, double-click on the Word file to open it. Once opened, go to the File menu. Then, click Save as Google Docs. Thus, automatically that file will open in Google Docs. Now click on the gear icon, then click on Settings. After this, check the box to convert uploads to Google Docs editor format. Thus, they will always be in that format. Chapter 2. Convert Google Docs file to Word. To get started, open the file in Google Docs. Then, go to the File menu. Here, click Download. Now, click on Microsoft Word. The document will be downloaded in this new format. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.